Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with some shortcuts or tricky solutions to octal and hexadecimal addition. This will be helpful for computer science students of class 11. You have number system as one topic in your computer science, and I hope you all are aware of the four number systems, that is decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. Apart from conversions of numbers is one number system to another, you have arithmetics in those numbers. Out of that, in this short video, I'll discuss some shortcuts on octal addition and hexadecimal addition. First, let us take the octal addition. In octal addition, you can see here the chart is given. Generally, the teachers say you to do the addition of octal through this chart, where you can see the numbers on the top and the left, 0 to 7. So when we add the numbers, we get the sum as an octal number. For example, 5 in octal, if we add with 5, so 5 plus 5 in octal will result in 12. That is, 1 goes to carry, 2 come as sum. Similarly, 6 plus 5 becomes 13, 7 plus 7, 16, and so on. Now, to do some complex octal addition and to remember this chart is a little cumbersome task. So what is the shortcut key to this? Let us see. I've here done one addition through this chart, that is 14.45 plus 34.26. If we add 5 plus 6 is giving 13, 3 comes here, 1 carry. Similarly, 4 plus 1 plus 2. That means you can say 5 plus 2, you are getting 17, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So no carry. Then 4 plus 4 is, here again 4 plus 4 is giving 10. 0 comes here, sum 1 carry. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Now what is the shortcut? The shortcut is this one. I'll add the number in decimal form, that is decimal value, because it is easier for us to add the number as decimal. We are habituated in that. And then what we'll do, because we know with octal and decimal, the difference is of 2. After octal number 7, we get 10 in octal, whereas that in decimal is 8. So decimal 8 is equivalent to octal 10, which is 2 numbers ahead. So in sum, if sum value is coming less than or equal to 7, there is no change in the decimal and the octal. But if the sum value in decimal is more than 7, we have to add 2 because it is 2 numbers ahead. 8 becomes 10, 9 becomes 11, 10 becomes 12, and so on. So if I do that way, 14.45, 34.26, you see over here, 6 plus 5 is 11 in decimal. It is greater than 7, so add 2. So 11 plus 2, 13, 3 comes as sum, 1 goes to carry. Now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7, it is same, no change. Then next 4 plus 4 is 8, which is more than 7, plus 2, 10, 0 comes as sum, 1 goes to carry. And again, here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, no change. So sum, the answer is 50.73. So is this clear? In octal addition, we will add each digit of the octal digit, because we get 1 to 7 only the digits. We add the digits in decimal value, and if the sum is less than 7, there will be no change, even equal to 7, no change. If the sum result in the value more than 7 in decimal form, that is 8 and above, we'll add 2 to it. This is very simple and easy logic to add octal numbers. Now let's move to the hexadecimal one. It's a little complex one. As you can see the chart over here, 0 to 9 and then A to F. 1 plus 1 is 2. Diagonally, you can get the value, the summation. 6 plus 6, you can see 6 plus 6 is giving you the value C. Similarly, F plus F is giving you the value 1E. Now, to remember this chart is very difficult. It's not possible. So, how to do a hexadecimal addition? Either you prepare this chart in your paper as a rough work and then perform the addition. That is also a cumbersome task because this chart of 16 cross 16 rows and columns will be difficult and time taking. So I have a solution to this. And this one I have prepared on my own that I'm sharing with you all. If you remember, then it will be helpful for you to do any hexadecimal addition without remembering or writing this chart. What is that? Here, one thing, if you look into the chart, after 9, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, which is actually decimal 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So decimal 10 to 15 is represented by A to F. After that, again, it comes numeric value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then it goes to 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. So maximum, if you add F plus F, you will get 1E. So this is the trick. There are 4 conditions that you have to remember. Here also we will add the hexadecimal values, on its decimal number equivalence. That is C. If we add F plus F, F value is 15 in decimal. So we'll add 15 plus 15, 30. And then what we have to do? Let's see here. First option, add the decimal form of each digit. If sum comes to 9, means 0 to 9, there is no change because up to 9, decimal and hexadecimal have same value. So if the sum comes to 9, no change. If the sum comes in between 10 to 15, the decimal value, replace it with A to F. If the sum is coming 10, it will directly be replaced by A. 11 will be B, 12 by C, and so on. Now, if sum goes beyond 15, that is from 16 to 25, if your decimal sum of those 2 decimal digits of the hexadecimal form comes to 16 to 25, subtract 6 from it. Why to subtract 6 from it? Because these 6 are A to F, 6 decimal numbers whose equivalent hexadecimal digits are A to F. So subtract 6 and rest is your answer. So if I subtract 6 from there, suppose for example 16 is my sum, I subtract 6, the result is 10. This 10 will not be converted to A. This 10 is actually 0 come to sum, 1 goes to carry. Suppose the number is coming, say 20. So 20 minus 6 becomes 14. 14 is not E. This 14, 4 comes as sum, 1 goes to carry. So up to 25, this is the logic. If the sum goes beyond 25, then what you have to do? Then you have to subtract 6 from it, sum minus 6, whatever answer came. Again subtract 10 from it. Whatever the answer, that will be your sum and 1 will as a carry. Let's see an example. See here, one example is given. BD.AF plus A6.CE. So I'm adding. First, F plus E. F is 15, E is 14. So 15 and 14 when I'm adding, my answer is coming 29. So 29 minus 6 is coming 23. 23, I'll again do minus 10. It's coming 13. This 13 will be D, remember. And then we'll add 1 as a carry. So E plus F, my sum comes to D and 1 goes to carry. Now we'll add A plus 1. A is 10 plus 1, 11. C is 12. So 11 plus 12 is 23. Minus 6, 17. 17, it is coming in option C. So when it's coming 17, here sum becomes 7, 1 goes to carry. So sum 7 comes down, 1 carry. Now I'm again adding D plus 1. D is 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 in option C it is coming. Minus 6, 14. 4 comes as sum. 1 goes to carry. Then B plus 1. B is 11 plus 1, 12. A is 10. 12 plus 10, 22. Minus 6, 16. 6, 1. So my answer is 164.7 T. Let's take one more example. Here another example. F3.D5 plus AC.7E. So 5 plus E. E is 14 plus 5, 19. 19 is coming in the option C. That is 16 to 25. Subtract 6. So 19 minus 6, 13. Here 3 comes as sum. 1 goes to carry. D is 13 plus 1, 14 plus 7, 21 minus 6, 15. 5 comes as sum, 1 goes to carry. Then 4, 3 plus 1, 4 plus C is 12, 4 plus 6, 12. 16 minus 6, 10, 0 sum, 1 carry. Then F plus 1 is 16, F is 15 plus 1, 16, A is 10, 26 minus 10, 10. 10 becomes A and 1 goes to carry. So this is the easy logic for doing hexadecimal addition instead of following this chart. You can find this text in my website. The link I'll provide in the description. I hope you understood this form of octal addition and hexadecimal addition. Thank you.